Hello everyone, welcome to this session on IR spectroscopy MCQs. Here in this session we will discuss some MCQs with answer and their explanation. This kind of MCQ will help you in a GPAT examination and NIPER examination as well as some university examination. So let us begin. So question number 1 is following region is known as functional group region with respect to IR spectroscopy. Your options are 4000 to 600 centimeter inverse, 4000 to 1500, 1500 to 600 and 12500 to 4000 centimeter inverse. So which region is known as functional group region? The correct answer is 4000 to 1500 centimeter inverse. So IR region is 4000 to 400 centimeter inverse, that is the mid IR region and which is widely used for IR spectroscopy. Out of that there are two regions. One region is known as functional group region and other region is known as fingerprint region. So 4000 to 1500 is known as functional group region. Why it is known as functional group region? Because most of the organic functional groups, they give their characteristic absorption in this region. And other region 600 to 1500 roughly is known as fingerprint region. So moving to the next question. Following region is known as the fingerprint region with the respect to IR spectroscopy. So already we have discussed that. So these are the options. So correct answer is 1500 to 600 centimeter inverse. Why this region is known as fingerprint region? Because pattern of absorption in this region is unique for any molecule. So that is why it is known as fingerprint. Like fingerprints are unique. So similarly, their pattern of absorption in this region is unique. Next question. Which compounds can have same pattern of absorption in a fingerprint region? Isomers, diastereomers, enantiomers and isosters. So correct answer is enantiomers. We have discussed that in a fingerprint region, pattern of absorption is unique. But enantiomers, they cannot be distinguished in fingerprint region because enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images. So they have same type of atom, same type of bond, same bond angle. Only difference is they are mirror image to each other in a 3 dimension. So that is difficult to distinguish in a fingerprint region. Otherwise isomers, they are quite different. Diastereomers are different. And isosters, they are also different. So enantiomers will have a same type of absorption. Next question. Which of the following compound is IR active? Ethene, hydrogen gas, cis-1,2-dichloroethene and trans-1,2-dichloroethene. So here correct answer is cis-1,2-dichloroethene. Now to have any compound to be IR active, it must have a change in a dipole moment. So if for any compound dipole moment is 0, that compound will be IR inactive. If compound will have a change in a dipole moment, will have a non-zero dipole moment, then it may be IR active. So here out of these 4 compounds, hydrogen gas is diatomic molecule. So net dipole moment is 0. Here similarly ethene is also having a net dipole moment 0. So that's why it's also IR inactive. In case of trans-dichloroethene, chlorine and chlorine both are having both are electronegative group. They are having a dipole moment, but they are cancelled out because of the opposite direction. So net dipole moment is 0 in trans-dichloroethene. But in case of cis-dichloroethene, both the chlorines are on the same side of the double bond. So that is why net dipole moment is 1.89 and that is why cis-dichloroethene is IR active. Next question. Ethane molecule has how many fundamental vibration modes? Ethane molecule has how many fundamental vibration modes? 9, 18, 27 and 36. Now fundamental vibration modes. What is the correct answer? Is 18. Correct answer is 18. Now let us see how this answer comes to 18. So for any non-linear molecule having n number of atoms, it has 3n minus 6 fundamental vibration modes where n is a number of atoms. So in case of ethane molecule, C2H6, so there are total 8 atoms. So 3 into 8 minus 6, that comes to 18. So ethane molecule has 18 vibrational modes. If linear molecule is there, then instead of 3n minus 6, the answer is 3n minus 5. Next question. Distance between two atoms increases or decreases although atoms remain in a same axis. The statement is true for following type of vibrations: stretching, rocking, twisting, and wagging. So correct answer here is stretching. So stretching and bending are two types of vibrations. In a stretching vibration, bond length getting changed, but bond axis remains same. While in a bending type of vibration, bond angle is getting changed. Bond angle is getting changed. So here rocking, twisting, and wagging are types of bending vibration, while stretching is the having a same axis, and in that bond length may increase or decrease. You can see here this example of symmetric stretching and asymmetric stretching. Bond length is getting changed but axis remains same. For a given bond, which type of vibration will occur at highest frequency of the followings? So in plane bending, out of plane bending, symmetric stretching, and asymmetric stretching. So correct answer is asymmetric stretching. So means stretching and bending which will have a higher frequency, which will require higher frequency. So stretching requires more energy. Stretching vibrations requires more energy. So stretching vibrations will have a higher energy. They will have a higher frequency, while bending will have a lower. In stretching also, specifically asymmetric stretching will appear at a higher frequency. Next is, what is the wave number in a centimeter inverse for the IR radiation having a wavelength 25 micrometers? So here wavelength is given, you have to calculate a wave number in centimeter inverse. So correct answer comes to 400. Now let us see how this answer comes to 400. So wave number is nu bar given by 1 by lambda, where lambda is in a centimeter. If lambda is in a micrometer, and if you want to calculate what is the wave number, then centimeter inverse divided by 1 by micrometer into 10,000. So here wavelength was given in a micrometer, so that was 25. So 10,000 divided by 25 comes to 400. So correct answer was 400. IR spectrum is a plot of what? Percentage transmission versus wave number, percent transmission versus frequency, absorbance versus wavelength, emission intensity versus wavelength. So correct answer is percentage transmission versus wave number. Here you are having example of IR spectrum. You can see on a y-axis it's a percentage transmittance, and on a x-axis it is a wave number. Next, absorption band corresponding to nu is equal to 0 to nu is equal to 1 is called as fundamental absorption band, overtone, Fermi resonance, combination band. So correct answer is fundamental absorption band. See, nu 0 to nu 1 is energy levels, different energy vibrational level. Then nu 1, nu 2, nu 3, nu 4 is there. So from 0 to 1 is known as fundamental absorption band. If 0 to 2 is there, then it is known as first overtone. If 0 to 3 is there, then it's a second overtone. So correct answer was fundamental absorption band. If fundamental band occurs at 800 centimeter inverse, then second overtone may occur at. So fundamental occurs at 800, that means nu 0 to nu 1. Nu 0 to nu 1 is 800. So nu 0 to nu 2 is the first overtone, that will be 1600. Nu 0 to nu 3, that is 2400. So correct answer, second overtone, that appears at 2400. Fermi resonance is a coupling of fundamental band with overtone, two fundamental band, both of the above, none of the above. So correct answer is Fermi resonance is a coupling of fundamental band with overtone band. CH stretching of alkane occurs at. So to give this kind of answers, you should remember the basic wave number range of certain well-known functional groups. So CH stretching occurs at 28502 to 3000 centimeter inverse. C double bond O stretching of aldehyde, C double bond O of aldehyde, that occurs at 1715 centimeter inverse. Then NH, amine stretching occurs at which frequency? So correct answer is 3400 centimeter inverse. OH, whether it's alcohol or phenol, OH stretching occurs at which frequency? So correct answer is 3400 centimeter inverse. Nitrile occurs at which frequency? Now here nitrile means it's a C-N bond, C triple bond N, that is known as nitrile. So nitrile bond stretching occurs at 2250 centimeter inverse. Now in IR spectrum, C double bond O and C single bond O group of ester occurs at which wave number respectively? So you have to find out that C double bond O and C single bond O occurs at which frequency. So correct answer here is 1713 and 1300. So 1713 is corresponding to C double bond O and 1300 is corresponding to C single bond O. Next question. H bonded OH stretching of alcohol occurs at following wave numbers in IR spectrum. So H bonded OH stretching. So correct answer here is 34000 to 3200 centimeter inverse. So OH group may be hydrogen bonded or free OH. If it is free OH, that will occur at 3650 to 3600 centimeters. But if it is hydrogen bonded, then it will occur at 3400 to 3200 centimeter inverse. Which of the following detectors are based on expansion of gas? So bolometers, Golay cell, pyroelectric detectors, and photoconductivity cell. So correct answer based on expansion of gas is Golay cell. In which of the following sampling technique Nuzol is used? Solid run-in solution, solid film, pressed pellet technique, and Mull technique. So correct answer is Mull technique. Nuzol is mineral oil in which sample is mixed and paste is made. So that is Mull technique. In a pressed pellet technique, KBr, potassium bromide, is used. So these were some important MCQs based on IR spectroscopy. If you want to learn more about IR spectroscopy, you may watch the videos, links which are given in the description section. If you have any questions, any doubts, any query, you may contact me on a given details. Thank you.